Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy method to search for files downloaded in Google Chrome. So if you have your Google Chrome browser and you've been downloading files for days and days, and you simply want to search for the file, but when you open up your downloads folder, you just have a ton of different files there and you're not able to actually go through your downloads folder and find what you're looking for. So let me walk you through an example that you could actually do or a step that you could actually do to quickly find them. Now, one way is to actually scroll through your download folder, right, and see what's there. Maybe you'll find it like that. Alternatively, you can, if the files are still under the same location that you use Google Chrome to download, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go to downloads. Now under this section, guys, as you can see, I have a ton of files here. Many of them is already deleted already, but let's say in your case you are seeing a lot of files there that you have downloaded. You can simply use the search here to search your history, and that could be anything, right? So as you can see right now, if I scroll to the bottom, there's only the one file that I haven't deleted, so I'm going to use that one as the example. So what you can do, you don't even have to search for the full name of the file. You can search for just something within that file and it will find it for you. So let's say I have a whole other list here and I'm looking for something with account or statement. I can simply type the word statement, and as you can see, it starts to filter. And you can imagine in your case where you have a ton of files and you're looking for whatever it is, you can start to search for it and it's gonna find it for you. Once it finds it for you, let me go ahead and type the word statement again. You can easily locate and file that file. You can open the file directly from here because it's available to open, or you can simply go ahead and just click the folder location. It's going to open up your file explorer and it's going to actually take you to that exact file. It's going to highlight it down here and show you how to actually find the file. It's going to take you directly to the file so that you can easily open it. And that's it, guys. I found it to be super useful with Google Chrome and I wanted to share that with you. So if you're looking for files already downloaded and you want to check your file history in Google Chrome, this is a super useful way that you can use to quickly find files downloaded using Google Chrome. And that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you find value here, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, guys, and I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.